Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today it is the day of the month that I absolutely love to film. It's the Boxycharm unboxing. This is the May 2018 box. I'm going to show you guys what's inside. I'm also going to give you a mini tutorial using the products, which is actually what I have on my face right now. So if you're interested to see what's inside this box and how I created this look, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. I like to go over what Boxycharm is in the beginning of all of these review videos, just in case you aren't aware. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs $21 per month, gets delivered right to your door, and it contains 4 to 5 full-size beauty products every month. This month's theme was actually called Boxy Bash. Now, Boxycharm, I believe, turned 5 this month, so in honor of their anniversary or birthday, whatever you want to call it, they sent us 6 products. Normally we get 4 to 5. I don't think I've ever actually gotten only 4. I typically get 5. Anyway, this month we got 6. The total value of my box this month is $179. I only paid $21 for all these products. It just blows my mind every month. The little card that came in the box actually has 2 coupons on it, so if anyone's interested in using these, it gives you 20% off on coverfx.com using the code BOXY, and then on purebeauty.com you get 15% off your next purchase using the code BOXYMAY. So those are the 2 coupon codes they gave us this month. And this card just comes with the theme, and then on the back it gives a breakdown of each product, how much it costs, and a description of the product. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got inside my box. First item in this month's Boxycharm is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections while creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. This retails for $38 and you get 1 fluid ounce. The next item in this month's box is from Pretty Vulgar. It is called the Ink Gel Eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. This retails for $24 and you get 0.2 ounces. Next up we have this 3-piece eye trio from the brand called Aesthetica. Comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. This is a convenient 3-in-1 trio used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows, and this retails for $45. We also got another brush from the brand Aesthetica. This is the P12 face brush. It has synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. This retails for $27. Next up we have this lip gloss here from Han Skincare. Han Skincare Cosmetics Moisturizing Lip Gloss is formulated with antioxidant-rich argan and acai oil and infused with anti-aging superfood extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural sources. This retails for $15. Mine came in the shade Nude Rose. Last but not least, we have the Pure Sculptor palette. This is a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This retails for $30. Before we move on, I do want to do some swatches for you guys from the Pure palette. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the shade Originator. And this shade is called Trailblazer. And then we have the the contour shades Founder and Inventor. There you go. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to try out is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. The directions just say to apply every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for foundation application. So, okay, it comes with a little seal on it. And I did see other people's reviews on this product, and they did mention that you should just use a small amount. So I'm going to do the same thing. Otherwise, it will cause your foundation to flake. A lot of times with these silicone primers, that is what will happen if you apply too much. It sits on top of the skin, and when you apply too much, it doesn't have a chance to seep in. And then as soon as you start applying your foundation over top, it just picks up and like pills. And you end up with crusty looking skin. Okay, so I've had this on now for about a minute. It feels really good on the skin. It feels like I can feel it, but it also sort of feels like there's nothing there. So I like that. I'm going to apply my foundation over top and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I used the shade Soft Beige, and I just applied it with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Now I'm just going to go in with my concealer and just add a little bit underneath my eyes. So far this primer has done a good job. I do notice my pores look visibly blurred, and that's a good thing because I do have problematic pores on my nose. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Pure Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm going to use this shade up top called Inventor. It's the lighter of the two contour shades, and with me being, whoa, I literally did one dip into the brush. Wow. Okay, so be careful. It is very, very pigmented. Like, this brush is so soft, and I'm literally just tapping into it. That's crazy. So let's do this cheek first. Also, I don't remember if I mentioned, but I am using the P12 face brush from Aesthetica that we got in our boxes. I'm gonna go in with a little more. I mean, guys, seriously, oh my god. It's just crazy because I'm barely tapping in. I'm also removing the excess. And this is what I'm getting. It is so pigmented. That's crazy. I will say I'm loving this P12 brush from Pure Cosmetics. So soft, and actually it's probably not the best brush to contour with. It kind of feels like too soft, and the bristles are like too flexible. It's not really, like, it's obviously laying down the product, but it's hard for me to kind of work the product in because the bristles are just so, like, not stiff, very soft. So I'm actually going to go in with my contour brush and just kind of do this. And then I'm also going to bake underneath, so that will help it to look a little bit less harsh. I'm going to bake my face. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I am baking, I am going to now go in with the highlight shade. I'm just going to stick to the lighter of the two and go with the shade Originator, and I'm going to highlight. Can I please also just mention, I am so excited that Boxycharm did a palette like this that is inclusive of everyone's skin tones. Generally speaking, with beauty subscription boxes, I mean, most of the time it's primers and it's mascaras and it's eyeshadow palettes that for the most part are inclusive and suit different skin tones well. However, when we get to like contouring and stuff like that, I do not often see palettes that apply or will wear well for women and men of color. So this is exciting to see, and I am glad that Pure Cosmetics included this in the box this month, and I hope they continue to be I can't think of any other word besides inclusive I just want everybody to be able to utilize all the products that we get, because we get really good products. Wow. Okay, I'll stop talking now. Are you guys seeing that? Wow. That highlight is popping. And I love it because it blends so well into my skin. It just went on like perfectly. Like, I don't see any skipping, any harsh lines. Okay, I love this freaking highlighter. Wow. This palette, guys. Really good, really good. So let me just go in and contour my nose. Had to find my contour nose brush, which is also the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that we get in all of our Anastasia palettes. So I'm gonna go back in with Inventor again and just do up my nose here. I am living for this contour palette. I was a little nervous that it would be too dark for my skin. I'm rather pale, but I mean, I think it looks really good. Let's brush off the bake and see how it looks. So I did brows and a little bit of blush off camera. Now I'm gonna go in with, actually, I believe we received this either last month or, I forget. Last month? Yes, last month. Oh, this is just the Boxycharm and Pure eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyelids just to give myself a little bit of color. I'm going in with this gold shade here called Alliance. And I'm just gonna press it onto the lids. Nothing special because I'm about to test out this eyeliner. Hi everyone. You're a lot closer to me than you were just a second ago. That is because I'm gonna try out this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. I'm gonna use the brush that we got from Estetica to apply it. And let's give this a whirl. I'm actually really excited to see. So when I first things first, when I look at it, it looks hard. Like it looks like it's gonna be hard to get onto the brush. Give me just a second. Okay, so I swirled the brush around just to kind of get it going. And I'm going to apply this to my lid. Okay, it's so interesting with this gel liner because it feels as though it's going to be, like, it feels like it's going to skip when you apply it because it's so thick. However, let's do a wing. So I think it looks really, really good. It's gonna take some time for me because I don't believe I've ever used a gel eyeliner before, as crazy as that sounds. I've been stuck with the same liquid eyeliner for so long that I just haven't tried anything else. So let me go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied lashes off camera. I also went back in with this Boxycharm Pure palette and I used the shade called BFF and I ran that across my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the Han Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss and mine came in the shade Nude Rose. I didn't line my lips. I figured it's a gloss. Wow. This is more pigmented than I thought it would be. Feels good going on the lips. Smell is very mild. It just smells something like cookies, but it's not a strong scent. It is a pretty color. I like it. It feels good on the lips. Honestly, it feels like I'm not even wearing anything on my lips, which is kind of crazy. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel too glossy. It just feels like I have nothing on my lips. I like it. It's cute. And I'm actually interested to see if I use this repetitively, if I do see a difference in my lips. I do tend to have drier lips. I try to use lip masks at night when I go to sleep. But this would be a nice alternative to regular lip gloss, which doesn't have any of these antioxidants and vitamins that this all natural one does. So pretty good. I like it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my review. I love Boxycharm. They hit it out of the park once again with this month's box. I really liked the eyeliner. It's just something I'm gonna have to get used to working with. Also, the contour palette was so good. It blended out so smooth, even with using that face brush, which I think I actually might use as more of like a powder brush along those lines. However, back to the contour palette, it was very buttery, very smooth. It looks really good on my skin. Same thing with the highlighter, loved that. The primer worked great. I think my skin looks really good. All my pores look blurred. And overall, this was a really good box. So again guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!